This world requires inputs to understand everything. Everybody around us needs some input to know the things. If it's about ourselves, our personality, we are organized in our society from the inputs which we are providing to the world and not with what is the reality. So that is the fact of the time, and we need to accept this fact that whatever we are inside, it's our duty to communicate it, to present it in the best possible way so that the world thinks about us the way we want to present ourselves. If we keep the things loose, if we keep the things on their choice, there are chances that the misinterpretation, misrepresentation will happen. If we are good, we need to talk about good things, and only that talk, that presentations is going to be recognized, is going to be the image of ourselves in this outer world. So our duty is to present our inner world in the best possible way to the outer world so that outer world can understand our real picture, our reality. Communicating our reality to the world in best possible way is most important to have a correct impression, correct image, correct recognition in the society. So please be careful, please take care about your way you are presenting yourself so that your real being is recognized, is seen by the outer world. If we are projecting yourself as a weak, the outer world will think yourself as a weak, which you are not. You are strong from within. You have all the powers given by Mother Nature to prove yourself, to do what you want to do, and to utilize that power. It requires a little bit of skill. We need to learn that skill, we need to practice it, we need to present our real inner world to the outer world so that the reality is reflected. The weak moments will come in all of us life. Day-to-day life we have seen this weak moments. These weak moments should not dominate our strong hours and years of time. We are strong in years, but there are few moments which are weak, and that is not our reality. Our reality is strength. Our reality is power. Our reality is not the weakness. So please be careful about this very basic fact that we are strong enough to handle all the weak moments, and these weak moments need not to be communicated to the outer world by any means. So if we are able to communicate the strength, we are able to do a proper presentation of our strength, then the world will see us as strong personalities, as a strong being. Otherwise, the people will feel, the people will think what they want to do. We should not give a blank, empty space. We should not give a blank space to be filled by their choice. We need to have a tight communication. We need to have a powerful communication to the world so that our real in will be going to the outer world. Please take care and see you again. Thank you.